yo, yo, welcome to the show.
Hey y'all, what is up? It is Sunday, February 4th, 3:08 p.m. Eastern Standard. We're gonna look at our portfolio, the performance over these timestamps right here. Gonna look at our options. We're gonna talk about our dividends for January, which ended a few days ago, and just look at the dividends I've been tracking from last year, January, up until now. So, without further ado, let us start this video. It's a Sunday, but we're down on the day, 12 bucks. Don't know why, don't know how, but on the week we're up 1.31%, 136 $7. 1% down on the month. That's pretty good. 6% we are up on the 3 month, and year to date down 3%. 1 year we should be up 6.73%. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Love to see that. I love that the market has dipped a little bit, and I did buy. I buy it still consistently. I buy when it's high, I buy when it's low. So I should have bought some more when it dipped. Where was it? Like, here, whatever. But it's back on. It looks like it's back on the bull run. We'll see. Got some earnings coming out this week. Ford is one of them. So I got two options here. Let's see how they go. And I also have like 40 something shares, almost 50 shares of Ford in my just as my holdings. Oh, 41. Well, 42 shares, and I have like 50 in my Roth. So hopefully good earnings from Ford. I have a call open. Well, a call open to buy and to sell Ford, both at the $12 strike. This is my call for June 21, expiring on June 21. Hopefully Ford's trading above like 12 bucks and plus my cost. But I also hope, I guess, that the earnings will go south a little bit. Of course, that's going to eat into the profit I have made from my call that I bought. But just so that this would expire worthless, we're already trading above $12 we're at like 12.13 maybe. For Ford, 12.14, there we go. For Ford's just been on a run. Not sure if it's because it's running with GM, but yeah. If I need to, if I do need to roll this though, it's not an option. I did have to roll my last week contract. So yeah, let's just see how that goes. A lot of this premium is just from selling options, honestly. A lot of this buying power. And I also have a Under Armour contract that I sold. I have 100 shares deep in the hole on a loss there, but just selling weekly contracts. I think this is a 2 week expiry, roughly. Got $5 for it, so yeah, maybe $5 in like what, 17 couple days, whatever. Anyways, looking at our dividends, we got paid on January 2nd. No company paid on the 1st because it was a holiday, I guess. But anyway, even though it was a Monday, got paid on January 2nd by PPL. Got 3.36 shares, got 81 cents. 2.5 shares of Camping World gave us 31 cents. 9.33 shares of Smith& and Wesson, $1.12. Why do I have a half a share of Pepsi? I need more. 65 cents from that though, from a half share. 9 shares, let's say, of Realty Income, $2.28. They're paying. I feel like they increase their dividends by these micro cents every month or so. So that's pretty good. Or every couple months. I don't know. Pretty good, pretty good. Um, Horizon, 85 cents, 7.7 shares. Stag, 73 cents, almost 6 shares. Nusi, $2.06 from 13.6 shares. Spite Spider. The SPY gave us $3.74 from 1.96 shares. I want to say we're above 2 shares of the SPY now, officially, so should be hopefully closer to $4 being paid out every quarter from the SPY. Pretty interesting. That was this is the last one. Gap from 80 got 45 cents from Gap for having 3 shares. These decimal shares right here, these less than a share right here, that's from my dividends buying back. So I've bought back 2% of a full share of Gap just from my dividends. Something to think about. At this point, it should be more than that because this hasn't been reflected into that. So, looking at our dividends though for January, we made 13 bucks overall. All those numbers I just called out, they summed up to $13. And interestingly, that is a 182% increase from January of last year. So that's cool. I think that's pretty cool. Of course, it's not going to be like this every year. I will say that I really started investing consistently when I started working in June, July. So from here onwards is when like I really started investing. So I'm sure that the first 2 quarters of this year is gonna be like huge percentage buffs, and then it's gonna slow down. You know what I mean? Already for February, we only oh shouldn't get into that, but we're already 76% of a raise from last year February. You know what I mean? So, but anyways, the main thing is that we made 13 bucks, and hey, that's $13 I made just from owning stocks that are probably appreciating. So something to think about. Looking at our graph right here, this is just a graphical representation of what I just talked about. January, the green is 2023, 2024 is the one blue bar right there, the tall one, of course. Around 12, 13 bucks based on the axis there. Pretty cool, honestly. Looking at February already. Should have taken this out so I don't spoil it. And then just a cumulative look at everything so far. Just you want your blue graph to be increasing, of course, but higher than the previous bars graph. So the blue is this year, the green's last year. You want it to be rising like higher than it, hopefully at a higher rate as well. So I think with time that will happen, but just cool to keep track of this. I do love data, statistics, and trends, all that good stuff. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, y'all. Those who keep showing love, I appreciate it. Everyone asks this, but honestly, just drop if you want to drop the amount you made in dividends for this month, well, this month being January. Just do that. Just to compare. Let's see what our lives are like. Happy investing, everyone. I will see you guys shortly. Peace.